Day 22 of 365 Bible Stories. Rebekah and Isaac longed to have children, but for many years none came. Isaac prayed earnestly to God, asking him to bless their family with a child, and in time, God answered his prayer. Rebekah became pregnant, but this was no ordinary pregnancy. Inside her womb, she could feel the babies moving, pushing and struggling against one another. Confused and concerned, Rebekah sought God, and God spoke to her, saying, "You are carrying two sons. Just as they struggle within you now, they will struggle as they grow. They will become two separate nations. The younger son will rise to greatness, and the older son will serve him." After 9 long months, the day finally came. Rebekah gave birth to her first son, and he was covered in bright red hair. They named him Esau. Moments later, the second baby was born, his hand grasping tightly onto his brother's heel. They named him Jacob. And so began the story of two brothers whose lives would shape generations to come. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.